Everyone. I hope you've had a great break. We're coming into the end of the semester. I'm kind of excited about the project I have for you to work on this week. It's self paced, but I do have a suggested timeline for you to follow, but we'll get to that in a minute. I'm going to do several videos for you with each one being 5 minutes or less. So you're not just sitting staring at the screen. And hopefully later in the week, I'll actually show myself. Today is not a good day for that. I do miss y'all, and I hope you've had a good break. And those of you that celebrate, I hope you had a good Christmas. And let's get on with it. What you are going to do is you are going to come up with a design concept for a fairy tale. And a design concept is something that the artistic director or the director themselves come up with that will affect the overall look and feel and mood of the show. Okay, you're going to create a slideshow, and it's going to be due Friday, January 8th. That's this Friday, and it is a summative. This is a big grade. Okay, we've talked about the look and feel of shows when we watched the Muppet Christmas Carol, Newsies, and Shrek the Musical. Now you get to try your hand at coming up with some ideas. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to select a fairy tale from the list. I'm not going to read the list to you because you're smart enough to do that. If you do have problems, if you don't know that this third one right here says Pinocchio, that's fine. Email me, okay? So first, you'll decide on a fairy tale. Familiarize yourself, number 2, familiarize yourself with that story by researching it online. The best thing to do would be to search the title in the PDF. And again, I put an example for you, Pinocchio PDF. You'll be able to find retellings, the original Grimm fairy tales, and they're really gruesome. So if you like darker things like I do, finding some retellings of the Grimm originals is really cool. So you're going to create a slide deck, and it's going to include the things on the list below. I go into more detail on the rubric section, and that will be a separate video. So you're going to have a title page, a summary, your concept and why you chose it, and I'm going to talk to you about the concept in just a minute. A costume slide or slides, makeup slide or slides, props, scenic slide or set design, I think I call it later, and I'll probably change this before you see it, to set design slide and light slide. Okay, after you choose your fairy tale and you write your summary, you do your summary slide, the next thing you need to do is choose a design concept. And what the design concept for our purposes will do, it will take it out of its fairy tale world and put it someplace else. A different location, a different time period, have a different look or aesthetic or mood. I have a bunch of examples for you. The one I'm working on is actually, I don't even know why, but I can't get it out of my mind. A country and western version of Cinderella. So that's what I'm going to do, even though I really wanted to do superheroes, but I just can't get country and western out of my mind. Okay, I've only got 28 seconds left, and I just want you to see, if you have an idea that's not on here, email me, let's talk about it, and you'll probably be good. Okay, so choose your fairy tale and select a concept. How do I stop this?